trying to jump on his head. Wait, do that again. Do that again. Do that again. Or do that one again.
That hurt.
It's okay. Yeah, fix it. Yeah, do that again. And he does a flip on his head. Alright, now do the flip without the beanbag. Without the beanbag.
I can't do a flip without the beanbag.
No, the thing where you fall on your... Okay, hold on. And he goes...
Here we go. That one sucked.
Now do the flip with your beanbag.
Yeah, that's really fun.
And he jumps on his head. That's it all for today, folks.